Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you read deleted messages on WhatsApp without any app. So first of all, you just need to go to your settings. Now in the settings you can just search for notification history. And after searching notification history, you will see notification history in the settings. It will be like this. And after clicking notification history, you can see any previous notification. But there are a few phones where you won't find the notification history settings. And then you just need to install an app. So just go to Play Store and search for WAMR. And you need to just install this app. And after installing this app, you can just see the notification that was once deleted. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.